LD went to a shop where the straw was put up for sale.
Hello, sir. I would like to buy some straw. Who is that? It's me. Just sit down.
Oh, Piglet, why do you need straw?
I am going to build a house.
Build a house? Surprising. I had never heard of it. But that doesn't matter. As long as I get my money, I'll give you the straw.
I will pay for it. Here's the money.
LD paid for the straw and took it home.
It will take only a day for me to finish off building my house.
By the end of the day, he constructed a small straw hut.
Nice and beautiful. My brothers are going to take longer to finish theirs.
At the same time, Medley went to buy wooden planks.
Is the shopkeeper here?
Very much. Who is that?
I'm here to buy wooden planks.
Wood? What do you need wood for?
To build a house?
Never heard of pig building a house.
We do. To guard us from the big bad wolf.
Oh, I see. But you have to pay for the wood.
I will pay for it.
Then you can buy it.
The shopkeeper gave him the wooden planks. Medley took the wooden planks and took 2 days to build the house.
What a hard day it was. But finally, my house is ready. I need not worry about the fox anymore. Mine is a sturdy house.
In the meantime, Yauli went in search of materials. Yauli went to the shop to buy bricks.
I will build my house only with bricks. Hello, I want to buy bricks.
Are you kidding?
No, I mean it. I want to buy bricks. Tell me the cost.